Fixing noraplan with adhesive. Fold the acclimatized seam-cut sheets in half and vacuum all surfaces thoroughly. To avoid adhesive overlaps later, tape the edge in the overlapping area. Apply the adhesive evenly with a serrated blade as recommended by the adhesive manufacturer. Take care to avoid adhesive pooling and imperfections. Now, remove the adhesive tape and place the covering into the wet adhesive bed. Caution: allow the adhesive to air first. Make sure that the sheets remain parallel. To lay the second sheet, simply orientate yourself using the edge of the first sheet. Then, rub the sheets with a corkboard. Roll with a 50 kilograms roller in a crossing motion. Briefly, check the back of the floor covering again. The adhesive should coat the entire surface. Proceed in the same way with the second half. Clean the surfaces. Apply the adhesive, working neatly to the adhesive line. Allow to air, then fix the sheets with adhesive and finally roll them. Congratulations, you've created a long-lasting, durable noraplan floor.